secretly draining your savings in 2026. And what to do right now. What if I told you that right now, today, the US government is legally taking money straight out of your paycheck, not income tax, not Social Security, something most people have never even heard of. It's called a tariff. And in 2026, it's the biggest financial story that's affecting every single American. And almost nobody is talking about it on your level. Welcome to Money Story Vault, where we take the biggest money headlines and turn them into real, actionable stories for your financial life. I'm Dr. James Carter, and today we're breaking down the tariff story that is quietly reshaping your budget right now. Watch till the end and get a free PDF on a 30-day money protection plan checklist, recession-ready investment review, and much more. I've got 5 practical moves you can make this week. Okay, let's start at the beginning. A tariff is basically a tax that the US government puts on goods imported from other countries. So when a company in China ships electronics to the US government charges a fee before it hits store shelves. Sounds fair, right? Here's the catch. Companies don't eat that cost. You do. That fee gets baked into the price of the product. So when the US puts a 25% tariff on foreign-made goods, which is exactly what has been happening in 2026, that 25% quietly lands in your shopping cart. It's a hidden price hike, a stealth tax. And it doesn't just hit electronics. It hits clothing, car parts, appliances, and yes, even your groceries. Now let's talk real numbers, because this is where the money story gets personal. Economists are estimating that the current wave of tariffs is costing the average American household between $1,500 and $2,100 extra per year. That's roughly $150 a month disappearing from your purchasing power. Think about that. That's a car payment. That's a vacation. That's 3 months of a gym membership and groceries combined. Here are the categories where you're feeling it most. Electronics and appliances are up 8 to 15%. Cars and car parts. Prices have surged because major auto parts come from overseas. Groceries and especially packaged and processed foods that rely on imported ingredients. Clothing. A huge portion of fast fashion comes from tariff countries. And here's the part that stings even more. While prices are going up, wages are not keeping pace. So your paycheck buys less than it did 18 months ago. Now, if you've got money in a 401k, an IRA, or the stock market, tariffs are affecting you there too. When tariffs go up, companies that rely on imported materials see their profit margins squeezed. That translates into stock price volatility. We saw this play out earlier this month. Markets dropped sharply on tariff news, then bounced on ceasefire hopes, only to drop again. For everyday investors, this roller coaster is stressful and costly if you panic sell. And here's the macro picture. When inflation rises because of tariffs, the Federal Reserve tends to keep interest rates higher for longer. That means mortgages stay expensive, car loans stay expensive, and credit card rates stay sky high. So tariffs don't just raise prices at the store, they ripple through your entire financial life. All right, enough of the scary stuff. Let's talk solutions. Here are 5 moves you can make this week. 1. Audit your monthly spending. Find the categories where prices have crept up and look for substitutions. Store brands, bulk buying, local alternatives. 2. Lock in big purchases now before prices rise further. If you need a car, appliance, or major tech purchase, the window to buy before more tariff-driven price hikes may be closing. 3. Don't panic sell your investments. Market volatility from tariffs is real, but history shows reactive selling almost always costs more than staying calm. 4. Build or strengthen your emergency fund. With economic uncertainty high, having 3 to 6 months of expenses saved is your first line of financial defense. And 5. Consider I-bonds or TIPS, Treasury securities designed to keep pace with inflation. They're not exciting, but in a tariff-driven inflation environment, they're one of the smartest quiet moves you can make. Here's the bottom line. Tariffs are not just a political headline. They are a personal finance story happening in your wallet right now. The best weapon you have is understanding what's happening and making smart, calm moves instead of emotional ones. If this video helped you see the money story behind the news, please hit that like button. It genuinely helps this channel reach more people who need this information. Subscribe so you never miss a money story, and drop a comment. Tell me, how much have your monthly expenses gone up this year? I read every comment. Until next time, keep writing your own money story. Check our pinned comment for a free PDF, which will help you.